Yeah, it's gonna be some fun for a couple of hours. So we definitely want y'all to join us. And listen, man, y'all stay with us, all right? And have a little fun tonight, all right? Watch my sons bug out. All right, Joe. Enjoy yourself. Yeah, so we on our way, and we going to the Ocean View Fishing Pier, and we should have a good time. All right, so y'all stay locked in and hang out with us. All right, peace. Yeah, so we at the Ocean View Fishing Pier now, and we gonna go up here and chill. We ain't doing no fishing today. I went fishing yesterday. I ain't catch jack shit. We just going to eat. All right, this is Norfolk. It's the Ocean View Fishing Pier. So y'all stay locked in.
Where we at? Where we at? Huh? Where we at, old nigga? Look at this nigga look like a tourist. Where we at?
It's the Ocean View
Ocean
Fishing
View
Pier.
Fishing Pier. Ooh.
Fishing beach out here and everything.
Fishing beach.
All
Alright. What we gonna do here?
We gonna eat.
We gonna eat. Alright. I like to hear that.
No, I texted him. That was in my clinicals.
Ooh, look how beautiful it is, y'all. Virginia, baby. I'm sorry. Ooh.
You do have this here.
Ooh. You ready? Please wait to be seated.
Hi, how are you guys doing today?
So far, so good. How about you?
I'm doing good. Y'all looking for a table or just headed to the bar?
Now we're looking for a table.
Yeah, for how many?
3.
3, inside or upstairs?
We're waiting on this man right here. He's the financier. Right, Big Mike? Nothing. Upstairs, sir.
Alrighty.
Oh, this is what you meant by I'm gonna be cold, because we're gonna be outside.
Yeah, we're not going to sit in the bar. We're going to sit outside.
Ah,
Enjoy, you guys.
okay, thank you. Ladies first. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
You're gonna fall down, these jumps there. Ooh, look at.
Yeah. I hate walking up this pier. This pier is balls, yeah. But, this is what it is. Well, there's a lot of people up top. Let's check out up top. All right.
Ooh, thank you very much. Big Mike. Ooh. But you are.
Yeah, we have them all reserved. We have a 60 top coming in.
Hi, how are y'all doing?
So far, so good. How about you?
My name's Mary Bradley. I'll be your server.
Okay.
Can I get y'all started with anything to drink?
Uh.
Our drink menu's right here.
Yes.
Lemonade, yeah.
Do you have bottled water?
Bottle water.
So, in order to get one of those things, we had to make a reservation.
No, they're first come, first served, but once they fill up, like, you have to go on a wait list for them.
So all of them is filled up?
Yes, because I think we're preparing for a party right now, which is why that one's being reserved, and then all these tables are being reserved.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Can I get any drinks for you?
Sure. I'll take a rum and coke.
A rum and coke? Okay.
You know you gay, right?
Me?
Only because you sat right next to me when there's mad.
This nigga stupid than a motherfucker, nigga. You're crazy, nigga. This nigga said, you know you gay, right? Yo, you're stupid, nigga. This nigga said, how long was you thinking about that shit?
As soon as you got here, I'm like, is he
Yo, this nigga really gonna sit right next to me? Yo, you're an asshole, nigga. Yo, you the worst, nigga. Oh my God, son. Oh, it's like having a little Clarence around, bro.
And then I thought he was about to sit right here.
Oh, that would have been crazy. We would have looked nuts, bro. My bad.
So yeah, we just finished up. Food's okay. It got a little cold. We are outdoors. There's a lot of wind blowing. So it's a little miserable, but
Big pieces of fish.
Yeah? Does it come with bread?
No bread.
No bread. Do you have bread?
We might. I don't
Yeah, give me that. And if you have 2 slices of bread, add it with it. Cousin soda sauce?
Yes.
Alright, cool. What did you get? The fish and chips. How the french fries come out with, man?
They're crispy.
Yeah, that's why.
And they're
Yes.
seasoned.
Okay. No seasoning.
No seasoning?
Yeah.
you know what you want, Mike?
I get those wings.
It's ketchup though.
Do you want 6 or 12?
6.
You might as well get the 12, boy. So I can take one.
Can I get the barbecue? Like with I got ranch.
Yeah.
I get a ranch.
On the fish sandwich, what type of fish is it?
It's cod.
It's cod.
Yes.
You got a flounder one, right?
Yeah, and then we have. Actually, it might be flounder. This is like my 3rd day.
Oh, no.
Okay. It might be flounder.
Wait, it's flounder.
It is flounder.
Flounder? I'll take a fish sandwich.
Alright, I'll
And,
do that for you.
okay. I'm gonna need tartar sauce and all that good stuff.
Yeah, I want
And-
hot sauce.
and hot sauce.
Okay.
Give me that, Michael.
I'll have that right out for y'all.
Thank you. So, I'm getting a fish sandwich. T is getting some fish and chips, I think. And Mike getting some wings. What kind of wings you getting, Mike? Barbecue wings? Okay. So there you have it. Y'all stay locked in. What they taste like, Mike? They good? Alright. So Mike got like the barbecue wings things. Alright. Well, y'all stay locked in. We'll be back. We're going to enjoy this meal. And I'm going to get back to y'all in a minute. Look at this. Ketchup blowing all over the place.
It'll be funny to see actually smack the shot. Want this fish?
What's that?
It's like fish. You never had fish before? Want these?
I will.
Want to break it? Or you want to hold these?
I'm gonna break it.
Guy, what kind of fish did you get? Huh? What kind of fish you got? You get some hot sauce?
Flounder, they say.
You get some hot sauce?
So we're going to try this little fish sandwich. Alright?
How is it?
It
What they taste like? Good? Alright. Like that, like Alright. Well, y'all stay locked in. We're gonna enjoy the school and I'm gonna get back to y'all in a minute. Should have got some fucking wings. Them shits look good. I can take one? This shit look like a fucking... Damn. Buffalo with the food.
They're not that bad,
The
but
water right there. I just sat it in my cup, so my cup was gonna blow away.
You said they're not the best?
not that bad, but they're not bad.
Not bad.
I can't believe the fucking food is cold already, bro. That's crazy.
Where's Shorty at? Come get this money. I ain't gonna walk off without it. Yeah, so, yeah, we definitely done up here. But y'all see the view. It's nice out here. A little cloudy, so might have been, could have picked a better day to come out, but the band is about to start up, and that's our waitress right there. But I'll give y'all one last look at the pier before I head out. Tonight, night fishing. I was supposed to come back tonight at 11 o'clock and stay out here all night and fish, but the Knicks come on tonight, and I'll be watching the Knicks game. So like always, y'all know what it is. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay blessed.
Thank you so much.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Listen, I wanted to come back on. I'm back home. We had a good night tonight, me and my sons, T and Mike. So we went out. We went to the fishing pier, Ocean View pier, and had a little something to eat. We didn't do no fishing or nothing like that, not tonight. So we just went to have dinner. And I, you know, y'all saw it before, but I just wanted to give it a final, like 1 to 10 what I thought about it. I'm gonna give it a 5 because of the fact the food was cold. I ordered a fish sandwich. I only had one piece of fish for like $15 on a fish sandwich, and it was cold. I think T had some fish and chips. He wound up taking it home. His food came cold too, so he just took it home, and hopefully he enjoyed it and heated it up and had a good and enjoyed it. Mike had wings. He had some like buffalo wings. He enjoyed his wings, so I'm gonna give it a 5. I'm gonna give it a 5 because of the food was cold. And you know, I'm a little skeptical about it because of the fact that I've been there several times before, never fumed it, I never recorded it, but I've been there before and I had good experience there. As y'all know, I fish up there too, so I go fishing up there on the pier. I was supposed to be out there tonight, but I decided I want to come home and watch New York. You heard? I'm gonna watch the New York Knicks and the Indiana Pacers. and let's go New York. And listen, man, y'all know what it is. Subscribe to the channel. I know it's a little different. I'm doing a food review, little experience I had with the kids tonight, my sons, and I wanted to bring that to y'all too. And like always, y'all know what it is. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay blessed. Peace. It's your boy. I'm out.